Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I will guide you through how to hide messenger note from someone and how to hide someone else's messenger note. First, let's see how to hide your messenger note from someone. Tap on your profile icon and in the below you can see change audience. Tap on that and there's a 3 option. Tap on the custom option and you can select the audience who can view your note. So all these people can see my notes. So I'm gonna unselect one person and apply. So my notes hidden from him. I'm gonna save it. Yeah. So this is how we hide notes from someone. Next one, to hide someone else messenger note, you have to tap on that particular person's profile icon and there's a 3 option. So you can see a hide contact. Select that hide contact and there's a confirmation and tap on the hide option. And this is how hide someone else messenger note from your profile. So we are ending our video from here. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe for my channel.